will slow down your brain and you will be on a body level. How long? It will give you headache next day. How long you can do meditation? How long you can do yoga? All these techniques are you to put you on a body level. They involve you. They, they involve you indirectly in attention with the body or outside world. That attention is an efforts too, and that efforts is a headache. If that efforts is not headache, why those security guards, those who secure the president, prime minister, they are always vigilant to protect the president or the VIPs. They get stress. They have so much stress always. Within 2 years they got transferred. Why? Because their efficiency, their brain, their body is so wear and tear. You have to understand this. Maybe I am not able to describe it in a very good way, but somehow if you get my point, you will understand it. Some people take you into the trance. Trance is subconscious level. I told you in the previous chapter, and on a subconscious level memories comes, but there is no mind level. Mind level means when there is a past and future connection. On subconscious level, mind, the memories comes. Like somebody asked me, why the songs are playing in my head, I get irritation. So what happen is when you are relaxed, you are on the subconscious level or the body level. There is two levels left usually for the man. So somehow you drop into the subconscious level. On subconscious level, whatever the happy songs, happy memories come out. And as the memories come, you give attention to the memories. The mind level, you shift from the subconscious level to the mind level. Why? Because attention is a mind level. Attending a memory is a mind level. You have to be, this is a simplest word. Attending a memory is a mind level. When songs are playing repeatedly in your brain, that is subconscious level, because that time you are relaxed. In the morning usually we relax, or some happy moments is there, you start singing a song. This is subconscious level. You are not doing any efforts. This happens. And you will never have a headache. Yeah, good moment. But what happen is, you start attending the memories. Why is repeating in my head? Why is repeating? As soon as you attending, you are on a mind level. And on your mind level, the emotions start coming like irritation, anger. All these emotions are on my mind level. So irritation is not on subconscious level. Irritation is on mind level. Why? Because you are attending it. If you know that subconscious level, these songs are coming, let them come. I am in a relaxed mode. There will be no irritation, my dear friend. But as soon as you attend, the mind level starts. Attention is a mind level. And not attending the memories, you will drop to the body level or subconscious level. So as soon as your memories come, but instead of attending the memories, you start attending the breathing or the outside world or this, that means you are not attending the memories, you are attending something else outside. This is not an observation. You have to, why I am repeating this again and again? So that this is a very, very important. this lot of people get confused, lot of teachers, lot of masters, they could not clear all these things. See, when you are attending the memory, this is a mind level, but some teachers say attend your breath. When thoughts are going on, lot of thoughts going on, you cannot get out of the thought pattern. Somehow, if somehow somebody push you or some bell rings, you get some break. That period of time is for few seconds. If the thought pattern breaks, that time, if your intelligence say, oh, observe your thought, my teacher said observe your breath, observe your breath, observe your action, so that there will be no thought pattern. Okay, you right away attending the breathe or outside action. Why? When you attend something else, you cannot attend the memories in the mind. So your mind level will drop to the body level. That's the only mechanism. There is no observation, such kind of word. Observation means no attendance. There is no existence for this world. Observing a thought, what does that mean? This is another attention. And you are doing attention on the body level. How long you can attend? Okay, I guarantee you again. Last lecture I told you to. This lecture I am telling you again. I guarantee you that observe your action for few hours, 2-3 days, 4 days, 5 days, you will have headache. So what should we do? What should we do so that we get rid of our sufferings? Suffering is on always mind level. Why? Because on a mind level there are emotions. Thinking is not a problem. If you think creative, you're thinking means stress. You are attending. Any attention is a stress. But stress, it hardly matters. You have to walk, sometimes you go to the gym, there is a stress. That is not a mental suffering. That is a stress. Thinking same way, if you are thinking something, it's a stress. It's gonna heat up, your muscles is gonna be stressed up. Overdone of anything is a stress. More stress means more problems physically. But mental suffering is something else. That mental suffering has nothing to do with this thinking suffering. Mental suffering has to do with emotional sufferings. You have to understand that. On mind level you have to think, you have to create, you have to think. Without mind this world cannot advance. Mind is a mini god. How can you ignore mind? Mind is the best part. Mind is the best. Mind is not an enemy. You have to understand. Mind is not our enemy. Mind is this mind creates whole world. But on a mind level, whatever the emotions comes out, those emotions are the only factor for the mental suffering. And those emotions we are going to discuss slowly so that you understand properly. What is understanding means? Understanding means that you understand from my knowledge that comes out from my experience, but that is for you is your knowledge. That is knowledge for you. That is not your knowing. And knowing will be when you think on a mind level. When you think that whatever I listen from Atulanand lectures, yeah, he, yeah, who, then when you think on a mind level, that thinking becomes your own knowing. your own experience. Buddha say on your own bodhi, both. Buddha say both. Both means your own experience. When you have your own experience, with that understanding, with that experience, you're gonna realize. You're gonna realize about what? What is mental suffering? Once you realize, you will not attend any mental suffering. Even if it's suffering, you will not attend. Attention is a problem. And when there will be suffering, there will be no attention. Why? Because you realize the cause of the suffering, cause of the miseries. Understanding is called spirituality, enlightenment, nirvana. You have to understand this. Nirvana is not a going into the ashram, Himalayas, junglas, doing japas or yogas or doing mantras or meditations, different kinds of techniques. No. Or you will go to the heaven and there you will get nirvana by doing some donational works. That's everything is okay. I'm not saying this is all temporary remedies on a body level, to put you on a body level, to confuse you. Everything is for temporary reliefs. Everybody is already doing alcohol, going to the bars, sex clubs, reading books, music. Some people go in ashram, some people go doing yoga, meditation. All these are efforts on a body level, attention on a body level, so that they are away from the mind level. But away from the mind level is not a solution. You have to think on the level of mind. Mind is a tool for thinking. Only mind can take you to the nirvana. On a mind level, with the intellect, you will think, you will understand. That understand will give you your own experience. That knowing your own experience will give you awareness, will give you your knowing that I should not attend all these miseries. These miseries are mind shit. And when you stop attending the miseries on the mind level, you're thinking on the mind level, but you're not attending the miseries. Everything is, you are free. You're free. You get freedom. You get freedom from the suffering. You get salvation. You get nirvana. Whatever you want to describe, you are enlightened. You are self-realized. You have to understand this. Don't go on my translations, my sentences. A lot of people already analyze my language, how I speak. A lot of people already budging me that no, you should improve your English. I will improve my English, but you first listen those lectures, because on YouTube you're not gonna get these lectures from nowhere. Please don't miss this. This will make a big difference on you. Hari.